Now on Radio 4, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 1725 on Saturday the 4th of November. There are warnings of gales in Humber, Thames, Dover, Wight, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, Trafalgar, Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Shannon, Bailey and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at midday. Low Lundy 960, expected German bite 971 by midday tomorrow. Low Fair Isle 966, expected Bailey 973 by same time. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sierra. Southeasterly 4 to 6, showers, good. South at Sierra, southeasterly 4 to 6, backing easterly 5 to 7, showers, good. Northwest 40s, easterly 4 to 6, showers, good. Southeast 40s, Cromarty 4th, variable 4, showers, good. Tyne, Dogger, east backing northwest later. Moderate or poor. Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, southeast Bailey. Northerly backing northwesterly 4 to 6, becoming variable 3 or 4 at times in Malin and Hebrides, occasionally 7 later in Rockall and Bailey. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Northwest Bailey, northeasterly 6 to gale 8, rain, moderate or poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, cyclonic 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in Faroes and 3 in Fair Isle. Showers, good, occasionally poor. And southeast Iceland, northeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, rain, moderate or poor. That completes the shipping forecast. Now with the weather forecast more generally, here's Chris Fox.
Thanks a lot, Ron. And in the aftermath of Storm Ciarán, we've still got 37 flood warnings at the moment in force across parts of England and another 1 flood warning in Wales as well. I suppose looking at the weather picture over the next few days, the weather's going to get a little bit less bad, really. Not to say it's going to settle down, it's going to stay unsettled, and generally we are looking at some showery conditions, but I suspect the number of flood warnings will gradually begin to reduce over the coming days. Now, looking at the weather picture overnight tonight, we've got a band of rain stretching across North Wales, northern areas of England. That will be with us for much of the night, although the rain will turn a little bit lighter and patchier. Really, elsewhere across all other areas of the UK, we're at risk of seeing at least a few showers around for a time, although the weather will probably become a bit drier with some lengthier clear spells for Scotland and for Northern Ireland later in the night. Our temperatures drifting down to between around 3 and 7 degrees Celsius, with the winds turning a little bit lighter as the night goes by. On Sunday's forecast then, and generally speaking it is a day of sunny spells and showers. I suspect the majority of the morning showers will be across eastern areas of Scotland and down the eastern side of England, but as we head through the day, showers will break out pretty much anywhere, and some of them could be quite heavy, but at least they should pass through with a brisk westerly breeze in most areas. Now, temperatures, we're looking at highs of around 10 to 13 degrees Celsius, with the winds generally coming in from a west or northwesterly direction. Those temperatures a little bit below average for the time of year. Ron.
Thanks, Chris. Chris Fox at the BBC Weather Centre. Now, just before the 6 o'clock news, let's take a moment to hear from Lauren Laverne about tomorrow morning's edition of Desert Island Discs.
My castaway this week is the singer and musical star Lea Salonga.
I try to make my brain do the equivalent of, you ever see the movie Men in Black, where there's that thing, and to make them forget?
The memory zapper.
The memory zapper, exactly. So I kind of do that because you cannot give an identical performance from the night before. Even if you do the exact same thing, it's not going to be Groundhog Day.
My Castaway, Lea Salonga, on Desert Island Discs, tomorrow morning at 11:15.
BBC News at 6 o'clock. This is Andrew Peach. Good evening.